He takes care of his patients. He wants his patients to be happy with the work that he does, and he stands behind his work. A lot of people that we see are nervous, which is one of the reasons they come here, because of the different options that we offer to kind of help relax them. And we had one particular patient today that his mom called. He wasn't going to come in today, but he seemed very happy when he left, and he seemed very relaxed when he left, as opposed to when he came in, first thing this morning. Going to the dentist, you don't have to be nervous. You're actually taking care of your body.